Hi, today we're going to do something different. We're not going to work on my van, we're going to spray paint the kitchen of my daughter and her partner Emma and Barry's kitchen. It's pretty white and pretty daggy and pretty old and very, very average at the moment. So we're just hoping that a new paint colour is going to spruce it up a bit. It does. We've already done it. I know, right? Technology. So we're going to do that. Let's check it out. See if you learn something. Who knows? Who knows? I did. That's for sure. So did Barry.
It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
The doors had been cleaned down with a grease and wax remover. They needed to be keyed in with the 400 grit sandpaper. It just enabled the primer and the final coat to give something to really stick onto. It's the same process as the cabinet doors in the garage that we're doing, just a matter of cleaning down with the grease and wax remover, masking up here anyway, and then sanding with 400 grit, then removing the dust and cleaning down with the wax remover again.
Sands now.
Hi. Have you done all the?
I've done all the big faces.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything's a trip hazard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everything's a trip hazard. Careful not to touch this stuff. Check this stuff out. So. Hey Baz.
Yeah.
Did I tell you? did I tell you how important it is to set up your workstation? It's all right. Anyway, that's that out of the way. So workstation, that's where the paint's gonna get mixed up. We got some stirrers. We got some filters there. We got our paint buckets. We got gloves. We got hardener. We got everything we need there. That's just nice and organised. And there we've got our gun. She's in a rack, and Barry's just cleaning. Oops, Barry's just cleaning everything up there. So that's going to be our spray station. as we spray the items, they're going to be removed out to, keep kicking that, sorry about that, they're going to be moved out to here, and that's just where they're going to dry. But when I say dry, it's probably about 5 minutes. We're using the Economy Paint Supplies paint. They're at Arundel, and it's a 4-in-1. That means that it's 4 parts primer to 1 part of the hardener. Got the hardener over there on the paint station, and we're going to use these paint mixes, and they've got 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1. That's the one they're after. Which means if we put 1 part of paint, then the hardener comes up to 1 there, and likewise if we're doing 5 parts of paint, by the time you put the thinner in, it would be up to that 5 there. For example, let's give it a crack. As it turns out, the primer was almost an identical colour to the existing paint on the cupboard, so instead of just showing you what looks like nothing going on, we'll just bypass that and we'll get straight to the good stuff.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
After a little while, I found that 2 passes for the sides made a massive difference to the coverage, and I was looking for about a 70% overlay or overlap. As you can see there on the spray, plenty of coverage. I've painted them horizontally, so there's no chances of running. I wanted to put down some nice thick paint. Also recommend that you check out Paint Society on YouTube. They taught me everything I know, which, it's not that much, but it was enough to get the job done.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
It may not surprise some people to know that there's no such thing as too much masking, and there's certainly no such thing as too many drop sheets. Unfortunately, Barry has to go and get some white ceiling paint because of, well, where I was just spraying there. I didn't put enough up, and it's a bit unfortunate, but just keep that in mind.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
You'll see the difference now. If we change it, you'll know how. Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.